Big day today. Boat's coming out the water. We're Mel and Paul.
And this is our home.
We're slowly fixing her up and having a good time doing it. This is our version of boat life. Subscribe and welcome aboard. Back at the boat here, looking much cleaner than you've seen it before. Paul's done a good job at tidying everything up, and the reason that we had to do it is not only so we can get busy on our cruise and not be tripping over everything or having things fall in the water, but it's because today the boat is being lifted out of the water for a job that actually should have been done when we first bought it. More on that in a bit.
Everybody, hope you're having a good day. 3 bolts that go through it because it's the swan neck and the shaft is all one, so to get it out you take the rudder off with the 3 bolts and then slide this whole thing up, but those 3 bolts are gone oval, so they're just going to tack it at the top, and hopefully that alleviates that. Paul was just explaining to the neighbour there what we are getting done to the boat. So it's just a small tack weld on the rudder that needs to be done, that we actually asked to be done when we had the boat blacked, when we were buying the boat. And just after the survey, the surveyor had said that it would be a good idea to have that, and that's actually an issue with Liverpool boats built around the time that ours was. So we wanted it done, but we weren't there on the day when they were doing the work on the boat. The boat was being worked on in Reading and we were down in Exeter, and it just didn't work out. So we couldn't keep tabs on them and remind them, and so it never got done. But now that we are planning to do some continuous cruising, we thought it best to just get that job wrapped up. Oh, there's so many spider webs out here. So good, my favorite thing. One day, I'm literally putting one of those ducklings in my pocket. They kill me. They are just so damn cute. And off we go. Just hanging out here mid-marina, waiting for a Dutch barge that's coming our way. So if we steer clear, it'll make things much easier. We're off. Not bad weather today, which is always good. Hopefully the rain will hold off so that they can do the work and everything can dry, and we won't get stuck without anything to do, because obviously we can't be on the boat for insurance purposes while they're working on it, so we'll have to keep ourselves busy. So yes, hopefully the rain holds off.
Different pathway today. We usually go down there towards the bridge. We are going in here.
Too far forward so that maybe they can't get that thing underneath.
Yeah.
Just down there chatting to the guys from the yard, so this should be interesting. I'm just going to have a double check inside to see that there's nothing that's going to fall over in case when they lift it things like move around. You never really know because narrowboats don't actually move around that much, but just in case, I'm going to put some extra bits on the floor. She is out. Yeah. And now we leave you up there. See you later. Take a jump.
Thank you very much.
Now that the boat is out the water, we are just evaluating some of the damage on the hull. Bear in mind that it is under a year since it was blacked. Well, coming up to a year actually. It would have been blacked in July, August, I think, of last year. Paul's just having a look at everything there, but basically it is not a very good job and it hasn't lasted at all. Just walking back to the car while the boat's out the water. We need to find something to do with ourselves. Feeling slightly lost without being able to go home.
Our new home.
Our new saloon for the day. Well, that was interesting.
Yeah, it was good.
I mean, I think it was bad.
Oh, what can you do?
I know, it's just...
There's nothing that we can do.
It's frustrating. But it is what it is.
Yeah, and when you buy a boat, you don't know much about boats.
And
So-
your learning experience is so spaced out. Like, how often do you need to take a boat out the water?
Yeah,
So you only see your damage from the last time now.
Yeah.
After checking in one last time at the marina, in classic Mel Paul fashion, we took a walk along the river. Back we are again at this little old walk. Only 2 or so weeks since you've seen us here, but I figured that was a great way to waste some time while we're waiting for them on the boat. We've just checked in at the marina and everything is going well. Jobs on the go. Wash Canal, where we are not going. check us out at Mel Paul Monroe. Just hanging out on our mooring in the marina, boatless. Paul is on his way. I can see him just there in the distance. I just drove the car around from the front of the marina. All the boat jobs are done, boat's back in the water, and Paul is bringing her over as we speak. While we had wished that the welding was done way back in August with the blacking, it ended up being a good thing that we got a good look at Annabelle's hull. The blacking, which is just under a year old, is bubbling and hasn't adhered properly to the hull. This could be down to bad prep or perhaps the type of paint, and while she has 2-pack underneath, we'll likely be lifting her out again before the next year is up. Her anodes hadn't lasted as long as was suggested either, so 6 new were fitted. Ah, boat life. This is likely the last of the marina maneuvers you'll see from us. Join us next time as we get to our last minute prep before cruising, and then it's all bon voyage from there. Subscribe and support us as we go. See you in the next one. Boat's coming out the water.
Jobs are good.
When do you ever say jobs are good?